Just a sea back in London goodbye.
When I'm gone.
Oh, no, it's not goodbye, goodbye. Screw you, bitch. You're gonna see us again. I don't think I could just, like, to be fair, that does show an actual strength and commitment in her going to fix her life. Because to leave your friends like that. Oh, what? Why has she got two glowy balls? Are they our boys? Why are our boys light balls? Oh no, if Nico and Jenny are harmed, Esther will be dead.
Nico?
Esther, I will jump in.
Jenny?
I will jump into this
Oh my God,
fucking
Jenny, are you okay?
TV.